I entered Saudi Arabia, there were some women selling tea. So I went to their stall and had the tea, and they were so surprised to see me that I'm traveling all the way from Pakistan and going to Makkah to perform my Umrah. So some of these moments that I still love. My name is Abrar and I'm basically from Nankana Sahib, a small city near Lahore, probably an hour away. But for the last 13-14 years, actually, I'm living and working in Germany. In 2019, I actually started my motorcycle travel journey from Germany all the way to Pakistan. But my initial plan was to go all the way to Central Asia and finish my travel in Pakistan and India. But as I was going to start traveling, the COVID hit and I couldn't complete lots of restrictions. So I actually had to delay my journey. And during the last 2 years, all the countries have started to reopen again. And Saudi Arabia was one of those countries. So it was always my dream to go and visit the Arab countries, especially Jordan, Saudi Arabia, Iraq, and also perform Umrah, because as a Muslim, it is a dream, especially coming here on a motorcycle. That's something very special. I actually started my Pakistan to Saudi Arabia journey probably in the first week of February, and I arrived here after more or less like 49 or 50 days in Medina, and from Medina I went to Makkah to perform my Umrah. In this travel I actually crossed Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, and finally entered Saudi Arabia. The challenging part was also the crossing the borders, especially from Iran to Iraq or going from Pakistan to Iran. But alhamdulillah, everything went really fine. Whenever I go out with my motorcycle, the people, they just absolutely, their support and the love I am receiving right now is just incredible. But in the next couple of days, I'm going to start traveling in Saudi Arabia, going to Jeddah and then to south of Saudi Arabia to Aba, Al-Baha, Jazan, then going to Al-Ola towards the Jordan border. So I'm going to spend a lot of time in Saudi Arabia and explore a lot of the cities here.